My name is Michelle Corey, and I'm a New York-based psychotherapist and founder and CEO of WeHuddle. Today, psychotherapists are burned out by the demands of top-down digital platforms, time-consuming one-on-one therapy, and complicated terms with insurance payers. Meanwhile, patients are struggling to find high-quality, affordable therapy. Group therapy is an untapped solution. It allows therapists to see multiple cash-pay patients in the same hour, as patients experience lower session rates and pro-social evidence-based care. WeHuddle is for entrepreneurial psychotherapists in private practice and patients who want to experience an affordable social form of therapy, but its use can scale to all kinds of wellness experts who want to offer workshops or group meetings. I want to target the private practice psychotherapist community. We need to turn our product from a wireframe into a more solid solution, and we are also seeking legal and regulatory advice. I have really enjoyed workshopping my idea from so many different angles, and I've also learned much better, clearer ways of presenting the idea. And overall, the rigor of this program has gotten me in touch with a lot of my areas of growth and my strengths, which has really improved my confidence as a founder.